Welcome to this video on the testing and commissioning of electrical installations on ships, focusing on essential marine standards and safety protocols. Marine environments are harsh. Equipment must withstand constant motion, high heat in machinery spaces, fluctuating power levels, and significant vibration to ensure reliability at sea. Redundancy is critical for safety. Engineers use separate circuits for steering gear to prevent total failure, while bridge controls and alarm systems provide essential oversight for potential faults. Design must account for chemical hazards. Batteries require specialized ventilation, and transformers must be placed in secondary containment to prevent oil leaks from damaging the vessel. Stress testing is vital. Before installation, power cables undergo prolonged high-voltage and water immersion tests to ensure they can handle extreme conditions without breakdown. Maintaining proper insulation is key to preventing electrical faults. Operators use calibrated ohmmeter tests to ensure that wiring, motors, and generators meet strict resistance standards. Load testing proves real-world performance. By running generators at maximum capacity, inspectors verify that systems share loads effectively and that all connections remain secure. Safety mechanisms are life-saving. From hull earthing to automated emergency power activation in line with SOLAS laws, these systems are designed to protect both the crew and the ship. Monitoring is continuous. Since equipment degrades over time, crews must investigate any abrupt drops in insulation resistance immediately to identify internal defects before failure occurs. In conclusion, maintaining sea readiness requires a combination of robust design, rigorous initial commissioning, and constant, vigilant monitoring of all electrical systems.